I'm back, everybody. Introducing first, representing the crew. She is from Toronto, Ontario, Canada. Princess Pearly. And her opponent, she's the reigning and defending JWE Women's Canadian Champion. She's also from Toronto, Ontario, Canada, representing the puppets. Lady Pearly. We have them. And here we go. Princess Pearly picks up Lady Pearly, drops her down. Inverted suplex. Lady Pearly's down. Princess Pearly's getting the ladder. She has the ladder in hand. Now Lady Pearly drops Princess Pearly onto the floor. Lady Pearly now grabs the ladder, puts it into the ring, picks up the ladder. Lady Pearly hits Princess Pearly with the ladder. Princess Pearly now getting her butt whooping here. Lady Pearly now climbing up. She's on top of the ladder. She has one wrong. She missed her wrong. She only has one wrong. Lady Pearly now is in trouble here. Princess Pearly now pushes her off the ladder and onto the floor. Princess Pearly's on top. Misses the elbow drop. Excuse me. Lady Pearly, Princess missed the elbow drop. Now Princess Pearly's on top of the ladder. 2 wrongs. She has 2 wrongs. Lady Pearly now drops Princess Pearly onto the mat. Now she's climbing up the other side. Lady Pearly now, all she has to do is on. Lady Pearly now has 3 wrongs. Princess Pearly's back up there, fighting her way up. She's on top of the ladder. Punch. Knocks down Lady Pearly. Princess Pearly now, all she has to do is on her. One more wrong. Can she do it? 1 wrong left. Lady Pearly now is in trouble. Princess Pearly. She's going for a shoot. No, blocked. She blocked it. She drops Lady Princess Pearly down on the floor. Princess Pearly dropped the ladder on Lady Pearly. Now Lady Pearly's down. Lady Pearly now drops Princess Pearly onto the ground with the helicopter spin. Now she's kicking. Lady Pearly's in control here. Lady Pearly pulls Princess Pearly over the top. Standing drop kick. She drop kicks Princess Pearly onto the floor. Now she sets up the ladder again. Lady Pearly now, she's climbing up. Can Princess Pearly get back in? No, she wasted. Here's your winner. And still, the JWE Women's Canadian Champion, Lady Pearly. I'll be back.